German certification 2020. So in Germany, POS systems are and will be subjected to additional requirements. And in this video, I talk about these. There are three parts to it. The first part is obligation of receipt printing, which is already a legal requirement since 1st of Jan 2020. The second one is the ability of POS software to talk to a hardware device called TSE. And the third is to be able to export data in a given format. The second and the third requirement are not mandatory at this point in time. However, they will become mandatory in the future. The ability to print receipt is something which we have supported since the first version of SAP Customer Checkout. And in this video, I will focus on the second and the third one. For integrating POS system to the technical device called TSE, we currently support the Diebold Nixdorf TSE device. So you need this hardware device and you need to install the necessary services that comes with this device. Once you have these services in Customer Checkout, in technical and signature setting, we have the configuration page where you can maintain all the necessary configuration for your device. We also have here some functions which you will need when you start using this device. Of course, once the signature signing is switched on, this cannot be switched off. From the sales transaction point of view, there is absolutely nothing that a cashier will recognize. Only when the printout of the receipt will come, there are additional information on the printed receipt. And now when you look at this printout, you see that there are some information in the printout of the receipt which is printed from the TSE device. The third part to this is to be able to download the information in the format prescribed by the authorities. And this is possible once you have performed the day end closing. So when I go into the day end closing search and I search a day end closing which is finished, now we have a new button here called generate. And when I click on this button, it will download some data in a zip file. And when I look into the content of the zip file, there are a lot of documents here and they download the data about the sales transaction, about payments and everything else as required by the authorities. And in the day end closing called as sales summary in Customer Checkout Manager, we have a new tab called configuration overview, and here you can see several information from Customer Checkout which was used at the point in time when this day end closing was done. For example, information about the TSE device and also tax codes and other company related information. I hope this gives you a quick overview about the German certification 2020 and how Customer Checkout fulfills all these requirements.